Welcome back everybody to another video. So in today's video, a customer brought in two chainsaws. One is a Craftsman and new fuel lines and a new fuel filter on it. There you guys can see the old fuel filters right there. And the other one is going to be a Poulan Pro, whatever those are called. And he said this one he got from his neighbor and it doesn't run. So yeah, we're gonna start on them today. So let's get straight to it. All right, so we got it onto the workbench now, and the first thing that we have to start off by doing is taking off these flathead screws. They're also Torx. I think those look like T27. So you're gonna take off these screws, get to the carburetor and the fuel tank, and then from there you can start running in your new fuel line and put on your fuel filter. We're gonna hit you guys with a quick time lapse of me taking it apart. Alright, so I got most of the screws off for the top piece. Oh yeah, that cylinder looks really good. I don't see any kind of nesting or anything around it, so there's no way that this could overheat. Plus the flywheel's really nice, no cracks or anything. The filter does look somewhat dirty, but it's not too bad. Yep. Alright, let's open this up. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all. Look at that. I don't even think this is gonna need to do air filter for it. Okay, so you got your choke and stuff right here. Yep. Choke and everything's working nicely. It's all working nicely. Guys, I think this is pretty much brand new. Yeah, I don't see any kind of wearing or anything on it. Alrighty, you guys, so as you guys can see, we got the old fuel line off. It wasn't reaching all the way down to the fuel tank, so it wasn't sucking in enough gas to keep the engine running. So here you guys can see we also do have the new fuel line that we're going to be installing. Our fuel filters right there. So what you're going to do here is you're going to pretty much run it through that hole down there. You're going to run it out through here, put your filter on, pull it back through, and then you want to leave it at the bottom. You don't want to leave a lot of extra fuel line in there, just a good amount. And then from here you can just connect it to your carburetor. You're going to connect it to that little port right there. All right, you guys, so I just finished putting everything back together. We have the chainsaw right here. I put the new fuel line on and everything like that. Let's flip on the on switch, which is that. Let's just try pull starting it. Let's prime it up one time. I'm not even going to put choke or anything, and let's see if it starts. Oh. So there you go, you guys. That's how to replace fuel lines on a chainsaw. Once again, this is a Craftsman 18-inch 40cc chainsaw. So yeah, that's how to replace the fuel lines on this. So in the next video, we're going to be showing you guys how to diagnose the other chainsaw and how to get it running. That guy said that he got it from his neighbor, so who knows what's wrong with it. We'll have to check everything out, like spark and stuff like that. But I hope you guys like this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.